You get the Bowie?
Yeah.
Is the Bowie yours?
Yeah. You got it for me.
Yeah, I did.
Great ones. Too.
We're gonna do we're doing some t-shirt transfers.
Pressing shirts with awesome iron-ons.
Pressing shirts.
That's so cool. Is that a whole iron-on?
I believe that's an iron-on, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Pretty cool. Let's see what we got here. That's cool. See, this one's really neat. You can't really see it, but it's actually got the sparkle material all over it, so that's super cool. It's really small though. I kind of wish it was big, you know? And I like this one a lot, this Olympia beer.
Yeah, rad. A couple pinball lines.
There's a Ford, that's a pinball. Wait, is there two of those? There is. Yeah.
Yeah, the guy's rad.
And there's Elton John, and then a cool Kirby Thor.
Nice.
Oh yeah, Mott the Hoople. That one's cool too. I gotta
rad.
pick. I gotta pick one out. I don't know which one I'm gonna do, but we're gonna do it with what's the press called?
A Cricut press.
Cricut press.
Yes.
Okay, so how to do iron-on transfers with the Cricut press?
Yep.
So we gonna do some?
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay.
So we've been collecting a lot of transfers over the years, and we recently got a whole bunch of new ones, right?
Yes. Okay, we have a few of these. Awesome.
Okay, so I picked up this Ramones one. I'm gonna do that one first on this black shirt. The shirt is a Pimity, and then we got this at what, 250?
This is Celsius. This is the hottest it'll go. How you do it is, I'll just show you real fast.
Okay.
You steam the shirt for 5 seconds first. And that gets the surface all ready.
Okay.
And then you lay it where you want it. I'm gonna do it for a minute, a full minute.
Okay.
So you make sure that you don't. Okay, and then we're gonna do the back for another 15. So good.
Stoked on that one. That one came out great.
Really good.
System.
So you steam it first, so you press it for like a few seconds just to get the wrinkles out. You place it where you want, put it on the highest setting, and then 60 seconds full on press, flip it over, 15-second press, and then come back and do like another 20 to 30 seconds on the front, and then let it cool, and it should peel fine.
Because these are vintage, so this has got to be like from probably 1971 or 72. I'm thinking.
This one says 74.
74. Okay, so they're super old. So I mean, they would come out different back in the day. I think it was a lot quicker because it was a new product. These are old and vintage, so it was really hard. I went really slow when I pulled it off, and I knew that there was going to be a surfboard right here. So I pulled everything towards the point, you know. So if we'd started here, it might have lifted, but I could feel it trying to lift when I was doing it. So you just got to go really slow and really carefully. So, but I'm stoked on that one. That one came out great.
Stoked on this one. Really good. I'm gonna do ET right now too.
Well, let's do ET.
Yeah, awesome.
All right, cool.
Come on down to Slurm City Video.
I rent all my movies from
Slurm
Slurm City Video. We got stickers at Slurm City Video.
The black lights and black velvet.
Show your love and get a t-shirt. Palm Desert, California, Slurm City.
Need Laserdisc? Slurm City Video!
We got non-stop kittens for you.
Star Crash.
Here's a fireplace.
Get Rad.
We got Dazed and Confused.
Corey Feldman.
You can buy these on the interwebs for the computers.
Slurm City Video! Don't forget to subscribe to Dirty Donny.